Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel Varda Cuisine. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Here I'm to share new recipes with you friends, so don't forget to subscribe. Now today we will start with a new recipe, that is, let's start with the spring roll recipe. Here I'm going to share the recipe of spring roll. 1 carrot, 1 bell pepper, some spring onion. Now we're going to shred the 1 carrot and then we're going to cut the capsicum in cube shape. Next step is that cut the spring onions. Now mix all the veggies together. Take half kg chicken, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Let the chicken boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Now our chicken is ready. Now dish it out. Shred the chicken. Next step, after shredding the chicken, take 1 tablespoon of oil in the pan on medium flame. Add the shredded chicken. Yes, we're going to add the shredded chicken. After that, we're going to add the spices. The spices are very simple. Salt according to taste. 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And 2 teaspoons of black pepper. So we're going to add these spices, mix it very well with the chicken. At that point, the flame should be medium. It turned out very yummy and delicious. Please try it and let me know in the comment that how's your result. Before that, subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video and don't forget to comment. Now I'm adding the spices one by one. Here the spices are very simple. Salt according to taste and the black pepper. I use 2 teaspoons of black pepper. You can use less or more, it's up to you according to your desire. Now we're going to just mix all these things and let the chicken turn a little bit brown. We just fry the chicken at this point. Stir the spoon like this. And here we use the less amount of oil. Mixture should be dry. So that's why we use the less amount of oil over here. Now time to add the veggies that we mix it. Now we add the veggies. Mix it all together. At this point, you will add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. After adding the veggies, we again add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. And mix it very well. Veggies are going to release some water. Until at that point, we cook the veggies. Stir it continuously. Now the mixture is near to ready. We're going to just dish it out. It's a good snack for iftar time or a tea time. You can see the mixture is ready. At this point, the flame should be high. At this point, we're going to put the flame at high temperature. Now we dish it out. Next step is that I'm making the slurry. Add 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it very well. Now slurry is ready. Now we wait for the mixture to be cool. When the mixture is cool, we're going to start making the spring rolls. I'm using Sambulla spring roll pastry. There are total 20 pastries over here. I just take it out one by one. So the way of making roll, you have to put in this angle, like this angle, the diamond shape. Put it in this shape, diamond shape, and place it on the plate. And use 2 teaspoons of the mixture. You can use the excess amount or less amount of the mixture. It's up to you. I use 2 teaspoons of the mixture and put it in the middle of the pastry, here at the middle. I'm to add the mixture, 2 teaspoons. Now use the slurry, apply the slurry on the edges of the pastry. Apply on the edges. Here I'm applying on the edges. Now take one part, fold it, and take the opposite part. Yeah, this is the opposite part, fold it. This is the second step. Third step, again apply some slurry and fold from this side. Like this, fold it. And next point is start rolling it. Apply some slurry, tightly roll it. Roll it until the end. Now the roll is ready. Spring roll is ready. Okay, I'll show you again. If you miss any step, put it in this angle like it look like in a diamond shape. Now add the mixture